One area that's very important in this class that we learn about is about academic advising for your final semester at Coastal. In addition, you'll need to find out some things about graduation, and you'll also find out about what to expect in 495 as you go through this course. In this section, we're going to be talking about two things. The first is applying to graduate. You must go on to WebAdvisor under Academic Planning and apply to graduate from Coastal. If you do not do this, you will not receive your diploma and they will not acknowledge you at graduation. So you need to make sure that you go through that process and that all of the people in the chain of command, your academic advisor, the department chair, and the dean, all sign off on your application for graduation. The application for graduation will not be finished until you complete your final coursework. The final course in the exercise science program is the internship. That's EXSS 495. One of the things that's very different about EXSS 495 is that for this class, you will not be able to go to WebAdvisor and type in the class and enroll in it like you have for most other semesters of your college career. For this course, you need to do something a little bit different. Just like every other semester, you'll need to meet with your academic advisor. Your academic advisor will go through your program evaluation on WebAdvisor and determine if you are eligible for your internship. In order to be eligible for your internship, you'll need to accumulate 120 hours by the time you graduate, as well as have one or fewer classes to take to graduate. The internship may be either 9 credit hours, which will be 350 hours at the site, or 12 credit hours, which will be 450 hours at the site. You and your academic advisor, as well as the financial aid office, will need to determine what the best course of action for you will be. Please note that many forms of financial aid, including grants and scholarships, require you to be in 12 credit hours that apply to your degree. You will not be able to take a prerequisite for graduate school unless it is one of the courses that you need to graduate from Coastal as one of your credit hours to count toward full-time status. So be sure to check with your financial aid counselor as well as your academic advisor in order to determine how many credits that you should take for this course. The special permission to enroll form is actually how you will get into the class for your internship. So the special permission to enroll form may change. It may look just like this or it may look something different, but both you and your academic advisor will have access to this form and you will need to decide which one of you will initiate it. In order to complete this form, something that's very important is to determine which semester that you will do your internship. So please mark this box, which semester you're going to do your internship. Make sure you have your student ID number in here. And then the other really important thing is that you and your academic advisor determine how many credits you need in order to graduate. A 9 credit hour internship, again, will be 350 hours at the site, and a 12 credit hour internship will be 450. If you do need one more class in order to graduate, let's say you haven't taken fitness leadership, which is exercise science 415. If you haven't taken that class yet and you need to enroll in that, you will be able to enroll in that class. You'll be able to enroll in any other course except for the internship. The way that you get into the internship is that you or your academic advisor will forward this form to me after you and your academic advisor have met. You can hand deliver it to me, or you and your advisor can determine how it will be sent. A lot of times they will just email it to me. This is very important that you get enrolled in this class. It's very important that you apply for graduation, and in order to make sure that this experience will go by really well. The other information that's contained in this section will help you to determine what's going to happen in the Exercise Science 495 class, and it will also give you a link to show you information you might need about graduation, such as where to get your regalia and how to order your invitations. Hopefully this will help you in figuring out how to register for your final semester at Coastal. I'm looking forward to working with you as you do your internship. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you all very soon.